Traveling adds flavor to life, constantly adapting to new things on the road, experiencing new cultures and environments. You expect to be surprised. Just not this kind of surprise. Introducing TentTube, an inflatable tent that can be set up by one person with one air pump in just 1 minute. Our patented airframe makes the traditional poles a thing of the past. Set it anywhere, blow it up, and welcome home. It's that easy. Not only that, the airframe concept makes it 50% lighter and smaller than traditional tents, making the TentTube your perfect home on the go. We have done thousands of tests on the structural design of the airframe and finally arrived at this geodesic cave form, which not only provides maximum space for your traveling needs, but also withstands 4 levels of wind to keep you safe. At a dimension of 7.4 feet by 5.2 feet by 5.1 feet, TentTube offers plenty of room for 3 people. The best thing about it, it is truly affordable and made for everyone. Support our tent revolution and get your TentTube today.